In I wasn't aware that only courts can issue court orders news, an attorney has been sentenced to 2 years for faking court orders. I really would like those court orders. They would really help me and my clients, but sometimes getting the court orders can be a little bit tricky. What if I just made them up myself and signed them myself? Presto bingo, it's a court order now. It has a signature on it and everything. What could possibly go wrong? Let's learn more. Last year, attorney Andrew Gavin Wine found himself on the wrong end of an indictment for 5 counts of identity theft for faking documents up to and including court orders and judgments. Wow. He's just issuing final dispositions in his case. He's not even issuing discovery orders or something. He's not even issuing, sort of, management orders. He's issuing full-on judgments. Wow. He pled guilty earlier this month and received a sentence of 31 months, and has to pay $350,000 in restitution for the fraud. The Missouri attorney worked for the firm of Manise and Wine, now known as Manise and Manise. They took out the Wine name out of their partnership for some reason, not clear. Apparently filing multiple fake orders throughout various matters. As the ABA has noted, in one case, Wine allegedly filed a final divorce order requiring a husband to pay $900 in child support, according to an ethics filing. Wow. That's all kinds of special. Wow. I'm issuing divorce orders. I'm issuing child support orders. Holy shit, dude. Does Rob do this? Hey, Rob, I know you watch the channel. Do you have any thoughts about an attorney in the child custody matters just issuing their own court orders and issuing their own child support things? Is that the kind of thing that you and your friends get up to? Is that how we roll? I don't know much about child support law. Is that normal? Lol. In another case, he allegedly created an order of contempt requiring a husband to pay $20,000 within 15 days and then half his income plus $2,500 every month. Well, geez, that is really nice. I mean, I bet Rob has never thought of this one simple trick. Rob actually has to go to court and argue for his clients and try to get them a result. Rob has never thought of the one simple trick that will let his clients win every time. What if I just issue the orders myself and say, yes, you will give me child support. You will give me half your income plus $2,500 every month. Well, golly gee whiz, guys, that sounds special. Whole new practice area over there, I'm supposing. This is good shit. It is shocking an attorney can get away with this, apparently. Dockets are increasingly electronic and searchable. Even pro se litigants can check the verify orders. Did no one ever seem to challenge these rulings? Apparently not. Apparently, the opposing attorneys and the opposing clients just took them at face value. I mean, they didn't even bother to go look it up in the court system to see if it was a real order. Because why would you, to be quite honest? Why would you go look? I mean, seriously, why would you go look? The idea that the other attorney is forging court orders is so far afield. It's like, no, I didn't think to check to see if it was a real order. Holy shit. What do you mean it was fake? Godly damn. Every allegation in the case tracks a stunt that would barely fly in the 80s, much less 2020s. And the most absurd part is this isn't even the worst case of forging George signatures. Wow. Maybe this is a good reason to be skeptical of court orders if you're on firm salaries. Good times. Fun times had by all. Thus, that brings us to the end of this family law attorney, one of Rob's colleagues out there in the great wide world, who apparently decided that, being a family attorney is a little bit rough sometimes. And what would make it easier? What if I just issued child support payment orders myself? What if I said, give me half the money plus $2,500 every month? Well, golly gee whiz, guys, it's just that easy. I write them up myself, sign a little sign, no problem. Wow, the checks start coming in. What a miracle. Finally, someone figured out that this wasn't real. And they had a little chat about it. Probably not going well for his attorney law license, I would expect either. And also getting 2 years in court orders. So that's going in court in prison time. So not going great. And that, for the end of the moment, brings us to the end discussion of this story.